Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Tesla Model 3. First, ensure your phone is paired as a key or use the key card to unlock the vehicle. Once inside, you'll notice the minimalist interior centered around the large touchscreen. Use this screen to adjust your driving position, including the steering wheel and side mirrors, before you begin your journey. It's your command center for everything. Driving the Model 3 is intuitive. To start, simply press the brake pedal and pull the right stalk down for drive or push it up for reverse. The car uses regenerative braking, which means it slows down significantly when you lift your foot off the accelerator, recharging the battery. Keep an eye on your speed and navigation, which are conveniently displayed on the left portion of the main screen. Charging your Model 3 is straightforward. Most owners charge at home overnight using a wall connector or the mobile connector, providing a full battery each morning. For longer journeys, the extensive supercharger network offers rapid charging, getting you back on the road quickly. The car's navigation system intelligently plans your route, including necessary charging stops, ensuring you reach your destination without range anxiety. The Model 3 offers advanced features like autopilot, providing adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assistance for safer driving. You can personalize many aspects of your car, from driving dynamics to interior lighting, all through the central touchscreen. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your Tesla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.